Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking to you about Basecamp. This is a great website to use if you are organizing a work project, a school project, maybe a community outing like opening day for a baseball league. It's where you can keep everything in one place, see what everyone is up to, and everyone that you allow as part of your team has access to everything. So, I started this service called Financial Services. That's my business name on here. And I created a few teams. I have finance, managers, and sales. If I wanted to, I could assign people to the different teams and give them different jobs. If I actually click where it says Financial Services, these are some things I can check out. So, to-do list, I can make these for myself and for other people, give them due dates, make sure tasks are completed on time. Docs and files, so this is super important. Anytime a document is worked on, it should immediately be uploaded here to Basecamp so that everyone has access to it and the latest version is always available to everyone. You don't have to worry about making sure you send the email to everybody or that someone wasn't CC'd or anything like that. You can have a schedule to make sure you're up to date, see how close your event is coming up. And then down here at the bottom of the home page, you can also add different projects. So if you have a few different things going on, you can keep them organized. Right now, I just put planning an event. If I click the actual team finance, I can also just see things that pertain to this finance team. So if that's where I was working, this is probably the main place I would check. Pings up here is where you can have messages with people or just certain groups if you want to have a work chat. And then Hey is pretty neat. So every day you'll get a notification under Hey, and it'll be for this, what did you work on today? And if you click it, it tells you, it asks every person every day at 4:30, what did you work on? And you would go ahead and type in your answer, tell everyone what you accomplished or what you revised, what a new idea was. And this is how you can keep track of the progress. The managers can see that their team is working. And it's just a good way to reflect and also feel accomplished for the individual. So you can sit here and say, oh wow, I really got all this done today. And that can be a great feeling. If you go to activity, this is where you can see everything that's been going on for the day. This is also a great way to make sure that teams are staying on track. Managers can scroll through and see what different employees that they are in charge of are working on. I can see just certain individuals' activities or certain individuals' assignments if I'm concerned one individual is not staying up to date on their task. And if I go to to-dos, this is where I would view any to-dos I created from the homepage. It would show me anything that was added, anything that was completed, and then up here I can see what's overdue. So this is another great way. Every morning you could get on here as a manager, create the day's to-do list, and then at the end of the day you can make sure that your team completed those tasks. Or if you're a super planner like me and you like to have everything planned ahead of time, you could create all of your to-dos, give them different due dates, and then just watch as the project progresses to make sure things are completed on time. And then upcoming dates would just tell you if there was anything important I could see as the date of the event approaches and different things like that. So this is a great way to connect with a team for a college project if you have a large project. All group members can put all their information in here, share files. If you are organizing a community program, this is nice because you don't have to worry about having different individuals' emails. They can all just have access to this page, and it's especially great for work. It does only come with a 3-month free or 1-month free trial, 30 days. So it does give you a little bit of time to see if this works for you and your team. If not, you can, abandon it. If it does work, you could enroll in a plan and continue. I hope you find this useful in your future. Thanks for watching.